So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is cards in Power BI and how to use them. So sometimes a single number is the most important thing you want to track in your Power BI report or dashboard, such as total sales, total profit. So this type of visualization is called cards. So for better understanding, let's take an example. So for this tutorial, I will be using this Superstore dataset. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, and profit. Let's say we want to calculate total sales generated in this dataset. So for that, let's go back to dashboard pane. Since we need to add card in our report, we'll go to visualization pane and we'll click on this card visual. We'll resize it and we'll bring it to the center of the report. Now in the fields, we'll put sales since we want total sales. So as you can see, the total sales generated in this data set is 12.40 thousand. Now there are various properties available for this card. Like we can give shadow to this card, we can give border to this card. So in this way, we can make use of card in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.